we got a new filter. So we need to test this thing out. But I'm excited about it. It's the OASE EcoFlow 60. It's an internal filter. So on the 20 long back here, we have the small canister filter. We have the Thermo 100, right? Well, this is an internal filter. And you guys bring you guys over to the fancy white desk. So we have the OASE here. Let's get this thing opened. Man, in shipping they damaged the box, man. Hopefully it's not broken. Don't cut yourself. Okay. So, coming out right out of the box. Boom. Looks like we get some instructions. So, they do come in different sizes as well, depending on your tank. The one I bought is rated for up to a 15-gallon tank, but they have ones that I got the smallest one basically. They have a 60, 100, 150, and a 200, right? I got the 60. So, that kind of tells you. So, that's like a 20-gallon. That one's like, I don't know how to do liters to gallons, but you get what I'm saying. Alright. Don't know what this is. Let's see. Guaranteed. Okay. So we take it out. So first things first, we get the filter. Is there anything else? Oh. And we get some other stuff in here. So that's everything it looks like. Oh, and we got like a fancy, maybe that's like the attachment thing. Okay, so this is biomedia, I can tell you that right now. So what's cool about this filter is it's mechanical filtration, which is the flow of water itself, and this is biological filtration. So basically beneficial bacteria will colonize onto this and live in your filter in one of the compartments. You don't have to use this either. You could also use crushed lava rock, but it comes with it, so we'll use it. Taking it out right out of the bag. Pretty bulky, but I do like it. It looks like it's adjustable here. There is a spray bar here, or you can have it come out of this little doodad here by just adjusting it like this. We'll show you real time. It looks like it's just a little thing here that this will slide onto. Let's see. So this goes here and bam. Look how easy that is. Alright, so to set, before we get into what is in the filter, let's set this up. So this is your suction cup mounting section, right? So we got to get the suction cups which are in here. So let's open that up. And then we will go through every single thing that we have here, just so you guys know what you're getting. Suction cups, so all you're going to do is, because it sits like this, you got to make sure to put them in, but you're going to push them in like this, and then you're going to kind of just wiggle it in there, and you'll see it's not all the way in there yet, so just keep wiggling it, and then once you see that circle there like that, you're good to go. Alright, now to the filtration itself. So what's cool is it has a magnet system, so it literally just comes right off. Clicks on, comes right off. Clicks on, comes right off. See? Easy as that. So this is your actual like propeller yourself. This is the actual like mechanical filter part of it that is moving the water, right? Like right here. You can pop this off, I believe. Yeah, so you can actually pop that off to clean the propeller every once in a while. So we'll put that to the side. So here we go here. So this is where the mechanical filtration is going to go. So I believe you just unscrew this and it comes right off. And then we will take this and you just dump it right in there, right? They give you just enough too. Like that, and then you're gonna pop this right back on and then lock it in. Boom. Now it doesn't come off. So now we have our biological filtration, and then this will just clip off, boom, like that, and you have a sponge down here, right? And then the intake is right here. So, and then it just pops right back on, and then you can have it, boom, just like that. You could even have it the other way if you want it to get whatever way you don't want. If you don't want them seen, you don't have to have them seen. It doesn't matter which way you put it on, right? I think I do want mine in the front though. So with that being said, I'm gonna place this here. So you guys see that little square hole here, right? Well, let's first off, if you only want the spray bar, which is gonna be right here, then they give us a little cap that we can just pop right into up here so no water comes out, and then we just have the spray bar, right? But if you want aeration to your tank, let's say this is fully underwater and you want to add air to your flow, you're going to pop this guy on. Oh, I think. So this guy just pops right onto here. Like so. And then you're going to pop this guy on. And then here's your little aerator right here, right? So then this will pop on. Oop, if I don't keep dropping stuff, Jesus. Like so. And then this will suck in air as the water flows so that you can add aeration to your water. Water movement itself already adds aeration, so you don't need it, but it does add extra aeration if there's not enough like water movement at the surface. Let's go install this thing. I have one more trick to show you guys that'll help you really get a crystal clear water. So if you pop this bottom part off too, right here where the water comes in, you're just gonna get yourself a piece of filter floss, and this is gonna be temporary, so you wanna remove this after a while, but you can kinda just take this out and kinda paste this here, and then you're gonna slide it back in, right? Like so. And then all the water coming in is gonna hit this filter floss, which is a lot finer than the sponge, and it's gonna help purify your water a little bit better. But only do this for like 24 to 48 hours and then just remove it once you get your clear water. And then you can just pop this right back on like that. A better tank than replace this Aqua Clear with this. This is a 15-gallon cube that's recently scaped. We got two little cuties in there. They're little balloon rams. So we got to get this thing unplugged and removed. With that now removed, we can go ahead and replace it with this. For demonstration purposes, we're going to put it right in the front here. I have it risen right now higher than it's actually going to be so that you guys can actually see the flow. But then if we turn this, we get the spray bar at the bottom. And then you can also adjust the flow with it. So you can turn it down to where it's barely a trickle, or you can have it on full blast, which is actually quite strong. So I'd probably want mine somewhere around there. I don't want to be blowing my fish around everywhere. Or you can just do the spray bar, which is actually a cool option, right? Let's say this thing's been running for like a month or so and you want to do some maintenance on it. How are you going to do that, right? So it's really easy. What you can do is you can just unplug the unit just so no fish get sucked up, right? And then since it's on the magnet, you stick your hand in and boom, just like that. Easy as pie to take off. You can remove this, do maintenance, and then when you bring it back, you just magnet back up. Boom, done. And then you plug it back in. How easy is that? That is one of the biggest things that I like about this. It makes maintenance super easy for any of your tanks. Let's get this thing fully set up to where I want it and you can check it out. So as you can see, it pretty much blends into the background. I do wish it was a little bit more black, but now when we go and we plug it in, so let's plug it in. Now you have an internal filter coming in. You can see the water movement. I personally like the top flow, not the spray bar, unless I have it a little bit higher, but where it's at now I think is perfect. And as these stem plants grow, they're gonna cover it anyway. So it becomes a very utilizable thing and hideable thing, right? Like it's not like a hang on the back that just you see on the side of your tank. Now it's all internal and it looks amazing. Because we played in the tank, you can actually see stuff getting kicked around and all of that's getting sucked into the filter right now, which is super cool. So it's definitely doing its job, and that's what we wanted. So yeah, OASE is the one. If you haven't seen it, we did a review and setup of this OASE 100 thermo. I will put a little card at the top there, and I will see you in the next video.